Chapter 14. LSD. LSD. D-lysergic acid diethylamine, also known as LSD, is the most potent of psychedelics and the one that brought these types of drugs into the public eye in the 1960s. LSD is not found in nature. Origins of LSD. LSD must be synthesized in a laboratory. It was synthesized by Dr. Albert Hofmann in 1938 from ergot alkaloids extracted from the ergot fungus Cordyceps purpurella. The fungus is grown from grains, typically rye. Eating infected grains results in an illness called ergotism, which causes headaches, vomiting, diarrhea, gangrene of the fingers and toes. Experiments with LSD. In the early 1960s, psychologist Tim Leary was conducting many controversial experiments at Harvard investigating the psychological effects of LSD. The controversies came from his unethical research methods, such as a proper controls and careful screening of subjects prior to administering the drugs were often admitted. These concerns contributed to Leary's dismissal from Harvard and of the world of research. While Tim Leary's experiments were questionable, he did have a huge impact on the recreational use of LSD. Secret Army CIA research with LSD. Between the 1950s and the 1960s, hundreds of soldiers and civilians were unwillingly administered doses of LSD. Many of these individuals did not have previous experiences with this class of drug, and these tests would have many negative long-term effects on the mental health of the test subjects of the drug. LSD pharmacology. Taken by the mouth and absorbed to the gastrointestinal tract, the brain consumes less LSD than any other organs in the body, so it is not selectively taken up to the brain. Half of LSD in the blood is metabolized every 3 hours, so blood levels decrease fairly rapidly. LSD is metabolized in the liver and excreted as O2 lysergic acid diethylamine, which is inactive.